What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Today is going to be a martini variation called the Obituary. All right, so let's not wait, let's just get into it. First thing we're going to need is 60 mils of a dry gin, then 7.5 mil of a dry vermouth, and then 7.5 mils of absinthe. Put our ice in, we're going to give it a good stir. We're going to whip out our martini glass and we're going to pour it in there. And then we are going to garnish it off with an olive. All right, so the Obituary is look at the ingredients. It's a martini, right, with absinthe. It's called the Obituary because of the addition of absinthe. There seems to be like a pattern almost that when you have cocktails that include a relatively decent amount of absinthe, sometimes related to death in a way, like this one, the Obituary, or Death in the Afternoon, right? Not exactly sure why. Maybe it's just because absinthe is typically 60% or above, right? So I guess that could be the reason, but this is only using a 1/4 ounce of absinthe, so it's not huge, but it is enough to make a big difference in the drink. All right, if you love absinthe, you're gonna love this drink. If you like martinis and you love absinthe, then this is the drink for you. Okay, I couldn't actually find very much history on this one, like at all, anywhere. As far as I know, it is a fairly old cocktail though. That's literally like all I could find, so I don't know what to tell you about that. As far as like the actual drink though, is like, yeah, it's delicious. It's absolutely delicious. The olive garnish is interesting to me. I didn't think that they would go that route when creating this. It doesn't, in my mind, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't work with the absinthe, gin, dry vermouth, but you know, it does. That's why it's a thing. So interesting garnish idea. That's all I have for you today, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you like these videos, hit that subscribe button, follow along. I'm gonna be more coming out every single week. If there's a cocktail you think I should do on here, let me know and I'll try and get the ingredients I need and we'll whip it up, all right? Until next time, guys, keep stirring. Cheers.